So here I'm back again with another very outstanding collection of asymmetrical skirt designs. So how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm gonna share with you some beautiful designs and ideas of asymmetrical skirts with lining print and different type of prints. So there's a huge variety of designs that I'm gonna share with you. So just watch the video till the end and don't skip the video. So first of all, like my videos, subscribe my channel, and tell me in the comment section how was this video after watching this video. So the asymmetrical skirts are not just a fashion choice, they are more than that. Asymmetrical skirts shows your creativity, it shows your uniqueness, elegance. It's a bold statement of your fashion creativity. So whether you are a trendsetter or looking to try something new, so don't forget to add an skirt in your wardrobe. So in this video I'm going to share with you some asymmetrical skirts, some lining print skirts with the bold colors, vibrant choices of hues. So I hope you are going to love this awesome collection. You will find the mermaid style, asymmetrical style, and the lining print skirts very suitable for going outside for gatherings. This is an awesome collection, guys. I bet you are going to love these skirt designs. So there's a huge variety of skirt types and designs as well. You will find the straight skirts, you will find the mermaid skirts, you will find the long maxi style skirts that look so amazing, and you will find the midi skirts as well. So if you love to wear lining print that looks so unique and that is different from the traditional prints, I hope you are going to love these designs. I hope that this video is really going to give you inspiration for your wardrobe. So these type of skirts will an amazing addition to your wardrobe if you are looking for something unique and elegant. So these type of skirts will help you to enhance your fashion creativity, your individuality. So you can see these lining prints are just amazing. They are different, they are just unique, and you will find the vibrant colors, you will find the bold choices I have just added in this video. As you can see, these are the maxi style skirts, the straight maxi skirts like this one. The straight simple lining print looks so amazing, and this one is also so beautiful. You can wear with blazers or sweaters, sweat jackets, and this one is really my favorite, the A-line style long maxi skirts. Floor length skirts look so amazing while going outside for parties, for gatherings. You can wear simple blouse with them, and blouse can be of any style. You can choose any style of blouse, but the plain ones with these lining skirts, the plain looks so amazing. If your skirt is of different prints, you can wear the plain top, and if your top is printed with flowers and something different, so you can wear the plain skirt. So it depends on your choice which combination you like the most. So I hope you are going to love these awesome designs. So if you loved these designs, do like my video, tell me in the comment section how was the video, how were the designs, and which type of collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of more dress designs you want to watch on my channel. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also give your feedback in the comment section. So Goodbye, dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon, guys, with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.